This is part B of vocabulary for Unit 4 in Reading 2. So now we're going to do the multiple choice questions. Number 1, the scientist that there will be another major tsunami in the next 5 years. The scientist creates, the scientist estimates, the scientist leads to, or the scientist predicts. So create, does the scientist make a tsunami? No. Leads to means cause. So I don't think we also want to say the scientist causes a tsunami. That's not true. The scientist is just a person. They cannot create or cause a tsunami. So which is better, estimates or predicts? In this case, because we see will, which is future, and the next 5 years, the best choice is to use predicts. Okay? Because estimates is usually used for numbers, and it is used for current time. It's not necessarily used about the future. Predicts is more about the future. Number 2, eating many fruits and vegetables is for your health. So we have beneficial, expert, annual, and efficient. So expert is different because it's a noun, it's a person. So the rest are adjectives. In this case, we really want an adjective, so we can eliminate expert. Annual means every year, so that doesn't really make sense. So is it better to say eating fruits and vegetables is beneficial, good, or efficient? Remember, efficient means make something work well. And I think in this case it's better to use beneficial because it just means good or helpful for your health. Number 3, I had a computer problem that I could not solve, so I called a or an to help me. So who can I call? Can I call an injury? No. Can I call energy? No. Can I call an expert? Yes, because that is a person. Can I call an operation? No. So an expert is a person who knows a lot about things, in this case about computers. That's why we can call them. Number 4, we that there were about 500 cars in the parking lot. We declined, we obeyed, we recommended, or we estimated. So remember, here we see about 500. About means more or less, approximately. So one word always goes with numbers and about how much they cost, and that, or how much something costs. So that word is estimated. Number 5, global warming is a major environmental So here we need a noun, and all these words are nouns. We know we need a noun because we see a and then 2 adjectives. So is a major environmental path, that's like a small sidewalk or street, a major environmental conversation, a major environmental encouragement, or a major environmental issue. So hopefully you know it's issue. It means a subject that people are really interested in. So is global conversation? Not really. People can have a conversation about global warming, but we can't really say global warming is a conversation. Hope that makes sense. Number 6, traffic accidents can cause or even death. Traffic accidents can cause or even death. So remember, this means the traffic accidents, the result of the traffic accidents will be tunnel, no. Location, system, no. Injury. Injury means getting hurt, and you can see that it goes kind of with the stronger one. Cars use more than trains and buses. Here we can choose energy, location, rate, or solution. Energy, location, rate, or solution. So cars use more. In this case, we need to say energy than trains or buses. So in the last part, we want to write some sentences using the vocabulary words, and I'll go ahead and do 3 just because, just to show. So don't copy the same sentence, but you know that energy means power or things like that. So we can say, when I drink coffee, I have more energy for my daily activities. Okay, decline means to go down. I predict, I'm being fancy, I'm using another vocabulary word, that coronavirus cases will continue to decline in the summer. Okay, so I used here this word decline, to go down. Annual is an adjective and it means every year. We couldn't take our annual vacation last year because of the pandemic. Okay, so couldn't is the past of can't. Okay, so yeah. So here we see these three words used in a sentence. So I hope these videos helped with your understanding of the vocabulary in Unit 4 and gave you some ideas about how to do the vocabulary questions that you will have on your test. You do need to study these and study the parts of speech especially. It will help you. Yeah, okay. Thank you.